Sant Eknath. He was a great sant of the Bhakti movement in Maharashtra. They include Abhanga, Gavlan, Bharud. He has stated Bhagavad Dharma in detail and in a simple manner. He has portrayed people's life in Bhavarta Ramayana through the story of Ram. एवढं करायचं. He belonged to कोण संत तुकाराम. He belonged to Dehu near Pune. His compositions or abhangas are very pleasing and lucid. Gatha is a precious treasure of the Marathi language. He asks us to find God by showing love to the unhappy and tormented in the following lines. जे का रंजले गांजले त्यासी म्हणे जो आपुले तोची साधू ओळखावा देव तेथीची जाणावा.